In the heart of Iowa, a handwritten letter from 1909 transports us to a bustling livestock farm. W. Vaughn, a dedicated breeder of shorthorn cattle, corresponded with H. Gullickson about the intricacies of farm life and sales. The letterhead, adorned with an illustration of livestock, reflects an era when agricultural communication was an art. This epistolary piece, complete with its original envelope showcasing a 2-cent Washington stamp, offers a tangible connection to the agricultural practices of a bygone time. From the Stereo View Vault.